well, hello.
What's happening in here?
I made, ooh, look at this. We got our little Italian, and I put little crusties on top. And then I'm making, okay, this is weird, and you guys might not like it, but I'll eat it. Buffalo chicken egg rolls. Some egg rolls. So yummy. I'm gonna put the rest of this cream cheese in there that I used the other day. I love me an egg roll. There we go, throw that in there. All right, and we're just gonna mix it, chat. We're gonna put a little bit more spices in there, maybe some garlic and onion. Milk, nope. Oh, we gotta put this in there, that's right. Some egg rolls. I know, listen, this is not the way it's meant to be, but just try it, okay? I am a white girl. So let me just get, what is an easy, I will use this, why not? And I tried to put the cream cheese out and stuff so it can kind of like soften up a little bit. What do you take? Oh, someone said ew.
Ew.
What? You guys don't like buffalo chicken? This is like a Super Bowl staple. Come on. I know it looks gross, but like give it a chance. They're definitely not touching that. Are you kidding me? Okay, well, I will eat it then. They're so good. I didn't put blue cheese in it. I did not put blue cheese. It's just mozzarella, cream cheese, and rotisserie chicken. And we're going to put a little bit of garlic powder. Slay. There's no way that many people don't think that this is gonna be delicious. I'm gonna put some parsley. Everybody eats with their eyes. And then we'll put a little bit of onion. Catchy's gonna give it a 10 out of 10. And then she's gonna make the mental note to never eat my food ever again. Do you like buffalo chicken, Arthur?
I'm not gonna lie, I don't even know what it is.
You don't know what it is?
No. Well, it's like, I have an idea, but do I know?
Can you try a fresh one after I'm done making them?
Potentially.
Before we leave? Or at least when you start your stream, I'll bring you one.
I'm super hungry.
Okay. Listen, if Arthur doesn't like it, then you know what? I will apologize to you guys. Bro, she ate 100 chicken nuggets. She will like anything. Liking it and being able to do it are two different things, you know? All right, I'm trying to make sure that the cream cheese is spread. I know this is most white people shit ever. White people love to put a bunch of things in like a bowl, mix it up, and like throw it into a pot. And I'm not proud of it, but it is what it is. Okay, and then the cheese is gonna melt. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more buffalo, just a tiny bit. So it's not dry. There we go. Just a little bit. Okay, that should be perfect. And we're gonna wrap these babies up. Let me go ahead and get a pan with some oil. I don't actually say oil like that. It's just my Meemaw says it like that. And actually, I was watching a clip yesterday of Nick saying baby oil. And I think saying it like that is a Southern thing. But I could be wrong. It ain't much, but it's honest work. This is what we look like right now, chat. I know everyone's gonna go, ew, baby puke. Have you guys ever been to a Super Bowl party? Hello?
Wow.
Just trust, okay?